Orange Bricks, reviews, mocks, and more. Hello, today we're back at Orange Bricks, and I will be destroying a couple things, maybe even a few things, from my Lego city, because I don't think they really fit in. Some I might just put to the side and say, I might use them later, and it'll be fast, Mo, so you don't have to wait a while just for me to do some couple of adjustments. The things I will be destroying are that, and maybe one of the houses over there. And I'll do it fast, Mo, like I said before, and hope you enjoy. Hello. So, I was thinking about it, and I thought that over there, I am going to do a Lego store just like it was before, except use the red colors that were there, because I made the Lego store out of pieces I didn't use very much, and kind of like scrap pieces, I like to call them. Anyway, I'm going to use those red pieces and build a Lego store right where it was before. And I just put a little mountain right here and a hot dog stand just to make it look nice for now. Thank you for watching today's video of me doing my demolition on a couple of my things. If you didn't get to see it very good, this is it. I need a little bit more red pieces. I'll probably get the red pieces from there. You saw I got a little bit from the garden. Still need to put the flowers back in there. And also, yeah, it's pretty good. That guy's in the river, and so is her. This is it, and thank you for watching. Oh, there's my bin of pieces that I will use later, maybe. Hey, there's a red piece I'll probably use, or is that a 2x? Anyway, thank you for watching today's video. Really hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to subscribe. Like if you want to like. Thank you for watching. Bye.